Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily track a moving object in your video using AI in Filmora. However, before we start, make sure that you're running the latest version of Filmora. As far as I can remember, this motion tracking feature is available in Filmora 11, 12, 13, 14, and probably some new versions in the future. So make sure that you're running the latest version of the program. Now, I have this video clip. This is a robot from Boston Dynamics, and you can see that the robot is moving. It is going to the front, and I want to track the head area of the robot. So I want to add some content beside the head, but it is only possible if we track the head first. We want to track this element of the video. Now, what you need to do is you have to click on the clip that you want to track, and then go to video, navigate to AI tools. The feature is available right here, and then scroll down and enable something called motion tracking. This is the feature. Enable it, and then you have to specify the object that you want to track. So in this case, I want to specify the area to be the head of the robot. So let's put a box around it and make sure it is precise. And it's always a good idea that the video is high quality, so there is a distinction between a certain area to another area. So basically, it's always a good idea to have a contrast and colorful video, because it's going to be making the tracking process a lot easier and more accurate. Now that when you're done, before you clicking the click start motion tracking button, I highly recommend to put the playhead at the very beginning of the video, because if you put the playhead in the middle, for example, it is not going to track the previous area or the previous section of the video. So if you want to track the entire video, then make sure to put the playhead at the beginning of the video. Now that we are done with that, we can click start motion tracking. And now we just need to wait until it finishes. Usually this process is only taking maybe somewhere between a few seconds to just a few minutes, depending on the length of the video. Okay, I'm going to play the video. You can see that the box stay there. That means the tracking is working. Now I can put some element to represent this box. So let's click link element, and you can either add a picture to this area, or you can also add mosaic, which is useful to censor face. So if you want to censor the face of the person, then this feature is definitely useful. But I want to try something else, so let's add something next to the robot head. Okay, let's link an element, click import from computer, and I'm going to put this text, picture of a text, and let's resize the text to make it smaller. Oops, sorry about that. I meant to click on the text. Okay. So I'm going to put it next to the robot head. All right. So when you're done, you can just play the video and see the result. There you go. So the text is moving alongside with the head, and that's exactly what we want with the motion tracking feature. So yeah, that's how you can use motion tracking in Filmora. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.